In today's video, we are going to show you how to buy stocks in XTB. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and on the left side panel of your dashboard, I want you to click the My Trades. Here, you can simply type in stocks if you wanted, and it will give you all of these options. However, what I would do instead is go to the ETF and more, and then select Real Share or CFD. This will open up multiple options for you. For example, if you want to select an automation and robotics stock, right-click on it. You can open a ticket, add to your favorites here, or open the chart. This will appear on the chart panel. Now, all I have to do at this point, since you've chose this, you can either select the market order, wherein you can buy instantly at the current price, or the limit order wherein you can buy at a price you set. Now, for beginners, we highly suggest you choose the market order, which is the simplest option. All I have to do is type in your volume, for example, 69, and the contract value will begin to change as well as the margin. And at this point, review and confirm. But if you want to go for the limit order, you can do that as well. Confirm the price and then click the buy limit. And that's it. Now you have successfully bought a stock in XTB. Remember, always do your research before buying any stock and start with small amounts if you are new on XTB. And of course, understand the difference between investing and trading. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to buy stocks on XTB. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.